What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Will Motivation back again. And what do we have today? We have the BMW M4 Competition 2024. And what are we doing? Well, we got a brand new AWE exhaust on this bad boy. So today we're going to review the exhaust, let you guys hear it inside the car, outside of the car. Oh, they knew I was here before I knew I was here. Listen to that. There he is. What's good, brother? What's
Motivated
good?
over here.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
That's some of the interior now.
Okay, let's let them see the interior. Oh, snap. Check it out. So not only did we get the AWE exhaust in here, but we got the brand new, look at that. Look at that. LED. Listen to that exhaust.
Yeah, flashes.
Coordinated. Oh man, I can't wait to drive this thing. Steve got me together over here once again.
Incredible.
Yo, it looks crispy. I love this car. So we'll be back one more time because I got some silver wheels. So we're gonna replace the wheels. I may get a slightly bigger front tire, but we'll see. Let's go enjoy this thing. We have the AWE exhaust. This is the full exhaust. So it has the mid pipes, it has the catback piece to it. Also, it has a switch path. So that basically means you can close the exhaust so it's quieter. You can open the exhaust so it's a little louder and it'll sound really good. So listen to that purr. Yeah, that exhaust sounds good, buddy. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys the in-car impressions of the AWE exhaust first compared to stock. But like I said, this is the full exhaust with switch path. And what switch path gives you is the valve control. So basically, when you put it in sport mode, it's louder. When you put it in regular drive mode, it's a little quieter. And you can control that with the car and the BMW. There's no key fob that you need to hold and press a button on. It's all controlled by the car, just like stock. So that's the advantage of the switch path. So I definitely wanted to go with the switch path in my AWE exhaust. And under just regular throttle and cruising, like I'm driving around right here, it sounds pretty much stock. But there's actually, I'm gonna show you guys the graph. There's actually a horsepower gain and torque gain from adding this exhaust. So maybe we'll do like a little pull. We'll do a little baby pull right here without the valves open so you can hear what it sounds like. Let me downshift. Number one thing I like though, listen how it sounds, listen. Yeah, you hit that M1 button and that valve opens up now. So now I'm in M1 mode so you can hear the exhaust. So I'm gonna be quiet while I drive so you guys can listen to the exhaust. Damn, that sounds delicious. Yeah, I'm dying to hit the throttle. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds good, buddy. So the thing that I'm noticing that I like very much is even with the mid pipe, right, and the catback and everything, the whole entire system. So you can get this system without the mid pipe or with the mid pipe. You can get it without X drive or with X drive. They have actually like 3 different versions of this exhaust. It's a little cheaper if you go without switch path, without the valves, but of course I got it with the valves because I want the option of making it quieter. But even with the valves open, most of the sound, you know, like it gets a good amount louder. Most of the sound, as you'll be able to see at the end of this video when I'm going to give you some revs outside of the car and a couple of accelerations outside of the car, most of that extra sound is outside of the car and not in the cabin. So it's nice and quiet in here, but you can still hear the exhaust. I'm going to hit it. Yeah, let me downshift a couple times. Listen to that, listen. Yeah, that thing sound good. Listen. Woo, that thing sounds good. I got Hamza following me in the RS3. He's following me in the RS3. That's got the AWE exhaust on it as well. Yeah, this exhaust sounds sick, man. Good job, AWE. Good job. And a big shout out to Turismo. This steering wheel is fire. Y'all see that little LED? It's flashing the shift light a little too fast, though. Other than that, man, listen to that. Listen, listen, listen. That thing sound good, buddy. So I'm in all-wheel drive mode, so no worries about losing traction. Very, very satisfied with this AWE exhaust with the mid-pipe. It sounds spectacular. The extra horsepower you can feel. My goodness, man, this car sounds awesome. Listen. Sounds like mean. It's got the right resonance to it. Okay, so I'm gonna put it back in quiet mode. Let's see. So you're cruising at 75 miles an hour on the freeway. I mean, 65, it would be even quieter, but you can kind of hear the engine a little bit, you know. It's louder than stock, but it's not like intrusive. It's a sports car. It sounds like a sports car should sound. So if you want the best exhaust for your BMW M4, my recommendation is AWE, the Switchpath version, or you can get it, if you don't need the valves, you just always want it open, then just get the AWE track edition. And this is the best sounding exhaust. I'm gonna let you hear like revs and everything, so stay tuned. As soon as we get the car to the house, we'll do some revs with the valves open and closed, and then I'll do some drive-aways, drive-offs, maybe a couple tunnel runs, so stay tuned. Little pit stop right here. Had to stop by the title company. A lot of you guys don't know, but I am a real estate investor. So in my videos, I do a lot of videos talking about cars, the best exhaust you can get for your BMW M4. But I like to drop a little bit of knowledge from time to time in my videos so that you're not just seeing a guy driving these nice cars, having these toys, and you want to live that life or you want to have those toys. So I can't make these videos without telling you guys how I do it. So the behind the scenes is I'm a real estate investor. I'm a software engineer, started my own company. And today I'm at this title company right here, Stewart Title, and I just signed papers. That's my Audi RS3, by the way. But I just signed papers to sell one of the investment properties that I funded, and I funded for a profit. So I'm gonna do an update video on my real estate channel, Real Estate 101 on YouTube, talking about the numbers, how much money I was able to make. But in short, I invested about $550,000 into that property, and I made about a 10% return in less than 1 year. The actual number of months was probably around 8 months, but that was my first time funding a deal. Like basically I was the lender, and turned out good. Took a little longer than I had hoped, but it's okay. I got our money back. We closed on Wednesday. And I got another property that I'm working on that I did myself, funded myself, fixed it up myself, and we're gonna make a lot more on that one. But for now, we're out here with Hamza. Hamza's got his new YouTube channel, Moves 2X, and he's in my Audi RS3 with the AWE exhaust. Shout out to AWE. We should let them hear that too. But we're gonna take these cars home, and then we're gonna let you hear what they sound like with the AWE exhaust. But I'm happy too, I forgot to mention, I got new brake pads that are carbon, so I'm not getting all that brake dust that I was getting before. So the wheels are actually still clean. Look at the wheels. So Hamza's gonna do the honors. That's Hamza's M4 over there. We should compare what yours sounds like.
Mine has a high flow downpipe.
It's got a high flow downpipe. Uh-oh, the neighbors. Yeah, go for it. That's pretty loud. Dang.
Let it slowly go up.
Do it with valves closed.
Valves closed.
All right, valves closed. His valves closed. It sounds good with the valves closed. It's still pretty loud. It's still pretty loud. All right, valves open, valves open. Here we go. It's deeper. That sounds crazy. This sounds damn good. This sounds damn good. yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a special video with tunnel runs in the M4. It's freezing cold out here, but we might as well hear yours while you here. A cold start.
Is he gonna let me down?
All right, so he's got the factory rears, but he's got a high flow downpipe from M Life.
Sorry to the neighbors.
Sorry to the neighbors. So this is what the factory rear sounds like with the downpipe.
Valves closed.
Valves closed. It sounds all right.
Valves open.
Valves open. Oh, that sounds pretty good though. That sounds pretty good. That sounds actually pretty good. That sounds pretty good. He's got the Silverstone as well.
It's a little crusty right now.
That looks good.
Don't look at it too hard.
You need a steering wheel, man.
Hey, yeah, I do need one.
We need a steering wheel.
Motivo Motoring. What's up?
Y'all go check them out, motivomotoring.com. We need to compare with the mods that are done on this one with what this one will run like and see how much more the mods make a difference. I gotta get that stripe, man. What do y'all think? Should I get this stripe on my car? Y'all sell these at Motivo Motoring?
You know what? We make a special one-on-one for you.
I need to get one of those, bro. Look, you got the car wash sticker. This dude. So I got the brakes done with carbon pads. I'm gonna tell you exactly which ones they were so you can get them for your M4. I don't think they were that much. I think there was like 4 or something, I think. So he's got new wheels for his car that's gonna look real crispy, and I got some new ones for mine. So if you wanna buy these off of me, the 20s, 20 by 9s in the front, 20 by 11 in the back, BC4s Racing, and I'm getting the same wheels but a different finish. So if anyone wants the gold bronze look on theirs, these are real nice, but I'm going for something with a little more pop because, you know, I'm trying to keep up with Hansa. So y'all stay tuned for that. Big shout out to AWE. If you want that exhaust for your M4, link in the description of this video.
What's up, AWE? Let's do something.
Oh yeah.
It's 2X.
Yeah, he needs one on his too, man.
Yeah.
He needs, and his channel is booming right now, so
Hey,
y'all check him out.
let's get it done. Let's get it done.